Karbi Anglong Mission Field angkang pinangan dipu longnit jengkha pendanglo Karbi Anglong pen West Karbi Anglong angkang pinangan Presbyterian Mission High School do bonta Science and Art Exhibition kipadu pabangke thekpon longlila. Bonta Presbyterian Mission High School dipu atum pen chipatir piponsi arkoni phai sir keparni Mission Field angkang kechengsi Science and Art Exhibition paman pondo. Presbyterian Mission High School Headmistress Vilalren Roti ki Japon bang sohut Karbi Anglong Mission Field along Field Secretary Reverend Arla Trapuya kachitong dunalong School Managing Chairman Anparta Longri Pastor Reverend Lalchan Moya Dipu Presbytery Moderator Mundulia Sar Dola Singh Terong Mundulia Sar Dharam Singh Timongpen Banglok ki ongdong atum chitong dun kachitong dun aluhi sar po phantovar pialong pen kang thungkar nesai paduponsi manpeng ipon lapenalang lipanamasi bangso exhibition setame impupon kachipate hut Presbyterian Mission High School dipupen anparta Inglongpo High School Covenant Higher Secondary School lapen Redeemer High School along Lukecharnia tum chetong dun si methang ke thek lapen kachinia puthak kachetong dun aluhi sar po phan than paklang dun Bangso Science and Art Exhibition ki pamanahut Headmistress Vilalren Roti pen kaning Japon atengke nilitum school along lapuson Science and Art Exhibition paman pona bangke kicheng silang puwoi phit satame nilitum kachopha tengpen kadukave bangsuri sose alu charlie osomartu nang chetong dun si mithang akit hekaputhak chipaklang dun long lopusi ning Japan bangso pon hut isi lucky draw setame paman pon ki paman pon thek along Inglongpo High School la himpen kicheng sianong e chipalong pon adun thua bangke loke charlie apie po tum lapen kithom angdeng stami lason thak thasi ke charlie apie po tum pensi long pon
I am the headmistress of Presbyterian Mission High School, Dipo, Dilaji Chu, and today we had exhibition, Science and Art exhibition. This is the first time that our school organized this kind of event. So more than 1,000 invitees, students came together today. मैं आज बोलना चाहती हूँ कि हम first time के लिए एग्जीबिशन साइंस एंड आर्ट एग्जीबिशन हमारा स्कूल में ऑर्गेनाइज किया है और जितना आया है माँ बाप और हमारा स्पेशल इनवाइटीज हमारे स्टूडेंट्स की ओर से मैं खुशी और धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ. Here in this event we made lucky draw free of cost, free lucky ticket, free lucky draw. So first prize was taken by Inglongpo School, Borjan. And second prize was taken by the parents, and third prize also taken by parents.
News report Karbi Anglong Live.